For 17 years, we thought we were detecting cosmic signals. They were microwaves. Astronomers at Parkes Observatory in Australia kept picking up strange radio bursts named Perytons. They mimicked fast radio bursts but came from local interference no one could trace. In 2015, the team finally installed an interference monitor. The culprit was the staff microwave oven. When someone opened the door before the timer finished, a brief electromagnetic burst escaped. 17 years of confusion. Solved by lunch.